Okay, you won't believe it. So this Ryan that I thought that had no hope, well, I got it to start up off starting fluid, but it won't stay running. But I'm gonna try to find a new carburetor for it because I'm pretty sure this carburetor is no good anyways because this freaking one gas line design is terrible. I really do not like that because that doesn't really allow for like good priming of the fuel. But here we go. I'm gonna give it a little run so you can hear it. Gotta use starting fluid to get it to run right for now. So yeah, that's what it does. It runs pretty good. I mean, it sounds really healthy. It's just I need to get a new carburetor. So there you go. That's part 4.